Hello, good morning all. Today in this video we are going to discuss regarding how to remove create and edit option from a many to one field in Odoo. So currently in the screen you are seeing Odoo version 14 community edition where we are continuing our Odoo 14 development tutorials. So what I will do is that suppose if I go to the hospital menu and then to the appointments, and if I open any of the existing appointment, here you can see we have got many to one fields of patient as well as doctor. So if I choose here, you can see all the available doctors. And what happens if I type an non-existing user? Suppose if I search for Odoo, here you can see Odoo is not existing in the database. So here you can see you are getting create Odoo, create and edit. So there might be some use case where you have to remove such options from many to one field, like you will be asked to remove the create and edit option from a many to one field. So let's see how we can remove the create option from a many to one field in Odoo. So this is the appointment form. So if we go to the PyCharm, here we have our custom add-ons, that is dev folder, and if I open, here we have the OM hospital module. So if I open that module and if I go to the views folder, here we have appointment view.xml file where we have defined the appointment view. So here you can see if I scroll upside, so this is the view appointment form. So if I come back to the UI and let me cancel and let me activate the debug mode. For that I'll go to settings and I will activate the debug mode in the database. And if I come back to the hospital, then to the appointments, and if I click on the debugger button, and if I click on edit view form, you can see the external ID of the view is OM hospital. So the module is OM hospital view appointment form. So we have taken the corresponding record view appointment form. And if I scroll down, you can see this is the patient ID, that is the many to one field of patient, and here we have many to one field of doctor, that is patient many to many and doctor many to many. So what we will do is that suppose if you search inside the Odoo source code, so here I have dev folder and I'll search inside the Odoo source code for no create. So I have already searched no create. You can see a lot of use cases, no create, edit, no create, etc. So let's see how is the working of no create and no create edit in Odoo. So what I'll do, I'll simply copy these options. So let me copy these options and let me do, I'll add it along with the doctor field. So here we have the doctor field definition. So I'll paste it here and I'll remove no open first. So I'll keep only no create true. So what I have done is along with doctor field I have set no create as true, and I'll copy it and I'll add it along with the patient ID field. So along with the patient ID field I will add no create edit equal to true. So here I have added in the options. So you can see in the options I have add no create edit equal to true for the patient field, and for the doctor field I have set no create equal to true. So let's see what happens if I upgrade the module right now. So here we have our module OM hospital. So let me go back to the UI and let me duplicate this tab and I'll go to the apps menu, and then I will upgrade the Odoo 14 development tutorials. So if you haven't got this module, simply you can download it free from the Odoo App Store. So the module has been successfully upgraded. Now if I refresh the view and if I click on edit and if you try Odoo, you can see no suggestions is coming. Earlier we were getting create Odoo was coming. So right now it's not happening. So you can see earlier when we are typing Odoo, Odoo is saying create Odoo or create and edit, but right now you are not getting such an option because we have added create false options no create. So it will not show the option to create the records. So initially we were getting like create Odoo. So let me duplicate, and if I go to sales module and if I open partner, initially we were getting like create Odoo, create and edit, like that we were getting. So right now we are not getting this because we have set no create. no create true along with the field definition. So that's why the create option is not coming. So let's test the patient field. So along with the patient field, what we have added, no create edit. So let's go back to the patient field. Here we have the patient and so let me type Odu mates. You can see only create option is listed, create auto mates, but we are not getting create and edit option. Like what I can say, if I type Odoo here, you can see create Odoo is coming as well as create and edit is coming. But right now here we are only getting create Odoo. The create edit option we have disabled. So these are the two things. Either you can use no create true, which will disable create and create edit, or if you need to remove only create and edit option, you can set this no create edit true. So this is how we can remove the create and edit option from a many to one field in Odoo. Also we have one more thing. So as we have discussed regarding the options, you have one more option, that is no open. So if you set no open equal to true, so simply I'll add no open equal to true. So once you add no open true, you will not be able to open many to one record. So simply I have added one more attribute, no open true, no open true. And before upgrading, you can see right now we will be clickable on patient, like we can click on Philip and we go to that record. So once you add no open, this clickable will get disabled. So let me upgrade the module and see what happens. So I'll go to the apps menu and I'll upgrade the Odoo 14 development tutorials once again. So you can see the module has been unsuccessfully upgraded, and here you can see right now it's listed in a blue color as we are able to click. So let me refresh and you can see you will not be able to click and open the record. So right now you can see it will not be getting clickable. So this is how we can prevent the opening of a many to one field. So in order to eliminate the create and edit function, simply you have to pass no create true along with the options, and if you need to disable opening of the record, you can simply set no open equal to true. So this is all about this video. If you have any queries, feedbacks or suggestions, don't hesitate to reach us over the email, that is odoomates@gmail.com, and feel free to connect us in the social medias like LinkedIn, Facebook and Twitter. And if you like the video, please do click the like button, subscribe the channel, press the bell icon so that you will not be missing any videos from Odoo Mates. So that's it for the day. Have a nice day. Thank you.